Hi, this is Sean from Rattel's Coins, and today we got back our latest PMG submission. So stay tuned so we can see what we got. We recently got back our latest PMG submission. Some notes that we sent off. We got some $500 bills and we got the $10 gold notes. So we're going through them. So hopefully you like this video. First up, we got a 1922 gold certificate. This one was graded by PMG. You got a little fold here, a fold across here. So there's a few folds in here. So obviously this is not an AU or UNC note, but still a pretty nice note. It's a white color background, no staining that I see here. So it's very fairly collectible, very nice note. This one did grade from PMG as a 35 EPQ. So what is EPQ when they put on a PMG note? When they grade it, EPQ stands for exceptional paper quality, meaning it's nice white quality paper. There's no stains or repairs or nothing like that. It's a nice condition note. And like I said, this one graded a choice very fine 35. So a nice collectible note. Very happy with this grade. And again, all these notes will be available on our website at hertelscoins.com. Next up, we've got a few $500 bills that we just recently got graded. The first one, or all of them, is in 1934 A's. The first one, again, few folds in this one. A little bit of black markup here, but overall nice quality notes. Few folds as you can see. A little bit staining in the bottom right corner. And the back one, there's a few yellow stains on here. So fortunately, this note is very nice condition. No tears, no holes. But unfortunately, it does have a few stains on it. But still a very nice note if you're looking to collect $500 bills. This one did grade from PMG as very fine 30. But like I said before, it does have a stipulation of stains. But still a nice collectible note. One thing is, it definitely doesn't have any holes or tears, which you really don't want when you're collecting paper money. It's either staple holes or tears that you mostly do see. Next up, we have another 1934 A, and this one also very little bit of folds in it. Some by the face right here. Hardly any creases this one, so it's obviously a nicer note. Very high collectible. You can see a little bit of crease marks up in here. But this one did grade as a 50 from PMG. So nice high grade $500 bill. And in the back it's blank, which means there's no problems to this note. So very nice on this one. Lastly, we have another 1934A $500 bill. This one is very exceptionally nice. Only thing I see is one little fold right here, and that's the only thing that hurts this note. If it didn't have the fold, it'd definitely be an uncirculated note. Very nice white color, no stainings whatsoever, so it did get the exceptional paper quality designation on this note. But and it graded a 58 with the EPQ designation. So very highly collectible. The closest thing you can get to an uncirculated note. And what's nice about this one, it did come from New York. Usually you see Chicago and New York notes, big powerhouses in the 30s. So obviously they're going to produce a lot of $500 and $1,000 bills. But the other two were from Chicago. But this one did come from New York. So it's not as many of these from New York as there is Chicago, but really nice note. So very happy with the grade that I got from PMG. We have one stain. Everything else came very exceptionally back. PMG right now, if you get stuff graded, comes back fairly quickly. So no complaints with them other than, you know, like PCGS is very slow in grading. PMG is very fast. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our future videos, always like and subscribe.